Woo! Hello everyone. So first of all, as you can see, I shaved my head in a moment of simplification of my life. Now, today I would like to explain how I do my thinking. And so we're going to fly immediately into it. I'll bring you in a very simple tool, Google Slides. I don't think a tool should be limiting our thoughts. So Google Slides is very simple. Everybody can do this exercise, and I'll show you how I do my thinking. And I'll also show some pitfalls of people around me that I see make what I think are mistakes in their thinking and their behavior. Of course, without judgment. Everybody's free to do what they want. However, there's a reason I no longer do it. So let's dive in. So I just remove anything we have in here. And we will start. It's very simple. You just take a shape. Up, shape it, you centralize it, you give it a nice color. What color are we going to use? I love green. And we're going to type. So what I'm going to start with is let's start with putting some activities that I do on a day-to-day basis. Okay? So for example, I do in the morning, I do a gratefulness and gratitude. I fill up my gratitude journal. Right? So this is to be grateful for anything. The first level we have here is our habits or things we do. Okay? But most everything that you do will be a habit. Why do I do gratitude journal? Because I think it's very important to be happy with what you have, to be content with what you have. So you see what I do here? So we started from habit and now we go why? So why is it important for me to be content with what we have? So because expectations not met is what creates unhappiness, because that's a key principle of happiness. So why I do it is to have happiness, peace. And so you see how my habits lead to my bigger purpose just by asking why, right? And so this actually, I will just call this a reason. So this is the reason why I do certain things. So for example, something else I do is every 2 days, I'll go swim for 30 minutes. What you might not understand today is how I decide what to do. It's basically experimenting life. So for example, how did I start gratitude journaling? Is because one day I read that gratitude journaling would get an effect. And I knew already, because of other things I did, that I'm somebody who's searching for happiness and peace. So then I try this out and see if this actually work for me. For example, I want to swim for 30 minutes. Why? Because I want to be physically healthy. Why do you want to be physically healthy? Because I think if you want to be a universal human being and a happy human being, you don't want to have issues with your physical health. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some curved connectors and I'm going to start connecting. What you just see here is that we have two flows that lead to the same outcome. So what else are we going to do? I'll take one more example of something I do, and then I will give an example of some things I see most people do, something I stopped doing because it would break my reason. Okay, it would break my reason of existence, me figuring out my happiness. I'm in management, so I work pretty hard. And so why do I work hard? Is because I need to make money. And why do I make money? Is because I want to be self-sustainable. And I take this example because the others are a bit more holistic, but I don't pretend to be a genius human being. I'm doing normal life. I need to make money so I can sustain myself. And what is the self-sustainability will give me? The self-sustainability gives me freedom. I don't have to count on anybody. I'm completely free. And that freedom gives me happiness and peace. So many of those links, maybe they're not true for you, but they're true for me. Also, I've done these exercises for so many times in my life. If you do this less, this could come less natural to you. I'm going to make everything a bit smaller because it's a bunch of other things I want to add. If anybody from Google is watching, take note. It would be great if I could just select everything and make it small. It's not that there's like per se 2 levels. It's just, actually, this the technique I use here is the 5 why technique. So you just ask why until you cannot get any deeper. But in reality, sometimes after 2 whys, you find already the deepest idea to have happiness and peace. So that's one of the main things I'm chasing for in life. My objective of my channel is to help people to live a fulfilling life full of unlimited dreams. In the past, I would be a smoker. I would smoke cigarettes. So why would I smoke cigarettes? Because it's a pleasant feeling. Why is it a pleasant feeling? Yeah, it makes you feel a bit high. It alters your perception. Why do I want to do that? I have no clue. First of all, I have no reason why I would do this. Secondly, It also goes against certain things. First, it cost me money when I don't have any benefits. Also, it cost me physical health, and I'll make those lines red. And so for that reason, cigarettes is out. I'll make it gray. This way I make a decision. It's very clear where I want to go to in life, and now it's very simple to see what should I be doing in day-to-day life, or what should I not be doing. And so, for example, smoking cigarettes is something I no longer do. The same, for example, goes for drinking alcohol, is something I no longer do. And it just doesn't fit the logic of where I want to go to. So I think that's one small concept explained. I actually have much more thought patterns about how to incorporate objectives. I simplified my logic now just to explain how I think in reality, and I can quickly show from time to time I make these kind of models. And actually this one I made this morning before I made this video. So you actually see, so for example, like there's much more things I do. Reasons like be physically healthy, learn to self-control, be mentally healthy, to acquire knowledge. So there's actually, it's of course much more varied, and all those things bring me to the ultimate human experience, which is the one that I said is the one of happiness. And if you are interested, I can also explain like how I then bring the ideas of objectives inside of this model as well. So let me know if that was interesting to you, and then I would be happy to talk more through how I do my thinking. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and as always, have an amazing day.